But when they get the opportunity.
I'm recording it.
That's why I passed them up.
Hold up, wait till we go. Okay, ready? Look how slow it's going! I never saw this truck slow in a lot. See? Oh, I thought that guy ripped him off. Look, I just got him on camera. He's so close now. He doesn't even know that I'm recording him.
So yeah.
Should I put this on YouTube? Hashtag slowest truck ever. I'm gonna do that. Next time we go, I'm gonna laugh so hard. This truck's just looking on his phone. Oh, oh, dang it. Why are they going and we're not? Idiot. Come on, turn to green now. I want to see how fast this truck goes. I'll laugh so hard if he doesn't make the light.
Oh, yeah, I tell you right now, we ain't gonna make it.
Are we though?
Yeah. The guy in front of me makes it, I will. Oh, you might make it. See, now he ain't doing too bad. Yeah, he's gonna make it easy. Look how far back he is now, huh? Them things have like 16 years.
Oh, that guy turned, dumbass!